That's where I spend a lot of my time, under the mushroom.
Under the mushroom?
Yeah. Bom dia.
Bom dia.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike.
And this is Diana. This season is take 2 of an experience that we've already done, but we're doing it differently this time. Traveling from the north of England all the way to central Portugal. Armed with a new arsenal. We've got knowledge and we've got a bit of experience, and this time maybe we're even a bit wiser than we were the first time. So I hope you enjoy the ride. You can check out how we cope traveling, looking at properties, and who knows, maybe we might even find the right property. So stay tuned. Laters. Hi.
Hello, we are today in Pombal. It's the Panoramico Aquaparque.
Aquanatics?
No, I think Aquaparque.
Okay, we'll go with Aquaparque.
Here for a day of sliding and slipping and probably eating burgers. It's a good thing to do. See you later.
Bye. Hi there, thank you for joining me on another episode. Today we are in Pombal. We are at, forgive me if I'm incorrect, Panoramico Aquaparque, Pombal Water and Amusement Park. So it is definitely a place for fun in the sun, located north of Lisbon in Pombal on the eastern coast of Portugal. It's open throughout the summer, around 10 a.m. till about 7 p.m. It is a huge park and it takes over most of the hills, and as you're driving towards it you can see the colorful slides from the distance and it looks amazing. There is a 5-track and a triple water slide as well. There's one of those rapid river things where you sit on the tube and you can weave through all those slides. There's a kids swimming pool for little ones. There's a sandy play area called Aqualandi. There's a sandy play area and there's Aqualandi, which is a mini water park. There's lots to eat. There's restaurants and games room, and there's even a gift shop. The park is easily accessible by road or public transportation, located as close to main A1 and A8 roads and connected by railway to Lisbon, Porto, and some other places. There is a very big car park. I think it's about 680 cars it can fit, and is nearby to Figueira da Foz. So if you wanted to explore that area at the same time, you could do. It's also quite near to Coimbra. Prices, I'll put it in the little chat box. But yeah, so this is the beautiful aqua park that we visited. I hope you enjoy seeing everything, and I'll see you later. Bye. You went down it last time?
Yep. Slide, that's got a race.
Alright, okay.
I said to him, you're gonna...
See me go like that when I was going down the slide. I went.
I was sliding about.
Well, that was fun.
There.
Is that Megan?
Yeah.
Is that Nicole waiting?
That's Nicole waiting and
Megan
Megan's
might be on
coming.
her way.
There.
Yeah, that's Megan. Go there then.
You left your water bottle. Where's Nicole?
She's there. She's down now. She's there.
I thought you said it was the fastest.
She's going really. No, it's the part. She's going really slow. It's meant to be the fastest, but it's not. You probably get stuck. I had a fringe, so it all went down there when I got up.
You get your water bottle. Is that good?
Not, I will break a million balls on that one.
No, I'm really doing the heel. On my back.
Right, me and Megan are going to go on it.
Queue.
Okay.
I can feel it when I stood there, like, oh, yeah. Stop here.
Are you going on that slidey thing again? Oh, there's no shade over there, is there? Stand up. Was that good? Was it good?
I went down backwards.
I saw you like spinning around.
some of the slide.
Thanks for watching this video. We really do appreciate your support. Please like, share, and comment on these videos. Let us know what you're enjoying so we can do more of that. And I hope to see you soon. Laters!